Hey friends, welcome back to Feasty Fusion. So this week I thought of honoring some of my vegetarian friends' request. So here I am with a quick and easy recipe of cooking vegetarian fried rice. So let's get started. Take some sunflower oil. So once the oil is warm, you can add the veggies, green beans, onions, spring onion, and some carrot. So let's fry these veggies on a high flame. So you can stir fry all the veggies up to your level. So some of you might prefer having it like half cooked, well cooked. So it's up to you how you want to cook the vegetables. I've got some chopped pepper, green pepper. I've not added those now, so we'll be adding it a bit later. So that's again optional. It's up to each one of you. If you like green pepper added, you can do that. So the reason I'm holding back is it releases some water, so we don't want to fry for a longer time. So I'll add those at the end. So I'll now add the chopped green pepper. So some of you call it capsicum. So I'm gonna add some soy sauce to it. And I've got some vinegar. And here I've got some black pepper crushed and salt. So stir well. So those who want a little more of flavor can also add some Chinese salt. You call it flavoring salt, Ajinomoto. So it's optional. It's up to each individual. If they like some additional flavor, you can definitely add that. So I'm now gonna add some plain cooked white rice. So what you need to do is you need to ensure that you've cooked the rice separately and let it cool down. So I cooked the rice like an hour earlier and let it cool down. So what happens, it doesn't stick. So stir well such that all the vegetables are mixed well. And cook the rice along with the vegetables for at least 5 to 10 minutes on a high flame. So our fried rice is ready now, and it's always good to be served with any of the veg sides. Today I've cooked some spicy chili gobi to be served with it, which I will be soon revealing in the next video. So happy cooking, and thanks for watching, friends.